Looking for the fastest and most powerful RC boats? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best RC boats that deliver high speed, long battery life, and unbeatable performance on the water. Whether you're a pro racer or just looking for some fun, these RC boats will blow your mind. Stay tuned to find out which one takes the top spot. Let's dive in. Number 1. RC Boat High Speed Racing. We're checking out this RC high-speed racing boat, and trust me, it's a blast. If you love remote-controlled toys, you're gonna want to see this. Let's dive in. First off, this speedboat looks sleek and feels solid with its plastic and metal build. It's ready to go right out of the box. Just charge it up, pop in 3 AA batteries for the remote, not included, and you're set. It zips across the water at 25 km per hour, that's fast for a boat this size. The remote works from up to 150 meters away, so you get great range. Plus, it's waterproof, so no stress about splashes or minor crashes. The battery gives you around 10 to 15 minutes of runtime, which is pretty solid for a speedboat like this. Overall, this RC speedboat is super fun and easy to control, perfect for both beginners and experienced racers. If you're into fast, responsive toys, this one's a winner. Hit the link below to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool reviews. Number 2. TX768 RC Boat. We're taking a look at the TX768 RC Boat, and wow, this thing is fast. If you're into remote-controlled speedboats, you're gonna love this one. Let's see what makes it so awesome. First off, the design is super sleek, and the build feels solid with a mix of metal and plastic. It's ready to go straight out of the box, just charge it up, and you're set. The real highlight? This boat hits a crazy 45 km per hour, that's seriously fast. Race car emoji, speedy emoji. The 2.4G remote gives you a range of up to 300 meters, so you can race it far without losing control. The battery lasts about 12 minutes on a full charge, and it takes around 3 hours to recharge. Plus, it's waterproof and super responsive, making it easy to steer even at high speeds. Overall, the TX768 is a beast. Fast, responsive, and easy to control, it's perfect for both beginners and pros. If you're looking for some serious speed on the water, this is the one to get. Hit the link below to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool reviews. Number 3. WL916 RC Boat. We're checking out the WL Toys WL916 RC Boat, and let me tell you, this thing is a speed demon. If you love high-speed action on the water, you're gonna want to see this. Let's dive in. First off, this boat looks amazing with its sleek design and solid metal and plastic build. It's ready to go right out of the box, just charge it up, and you're good to race. Now, the speed is insane, it can hit up to 55 km per hour. That's faster than most RC boats out there. The 2.4 GHz remote gives you precise control from up to 150 meters away, and the boat stays super stable even at top speed. It comes with 2 batteries, but keep in mind that each one gives you about 5 minutes of runtime, and they take around 3.5 hours to fully charge. Overall, the WL916 is a beast on the water. Fast, responsive, and easy to control, it's perfect for speed lovers. If you're ready to race, check out the link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool reviews. Number 4. UDI RC UDI022 Brushless Carbon Fiber. We're checking out the UDI RC UDI022 Brushless Carbon Fiber Speedboat, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast on the water. If you're into high-speed RC toys, this is gonna blow your mind. First off, it's powered by a brushless motor, which means more power, longer life, and better performance. It hits speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour, yeah, it's seriously fast. The build quality is solid too, with a mix of alloy steel, metal, and plastic, making it tough enough to handle some rough action. It comes almost ready to go, just charge up the lithium battery, and you're good to hit the water. The remote range is impressive too, working from 80 to 150 meters, so you've got plenty of room to play. Plus, it's CE certified, which adds peace of mind. Overall, the UDI022 is a solid pick for speed and fun. If you love RC toys and want something fast and durable, this is it. Hit the water and feel the thrill. Number 5. Volantex Vector SR80 80 cm 2.4G RC Boat. We're checking out the Volantex Vector SR80, an 80 cm brushless RC speedboat that's built for speed and fun. If you're into high-performance RC boats, you're gonna love this one. Let's dive right in. The Vector SR80 is designed for serious speed. It can hit up to 50 to 60 km per hour. It's powered by a brushless motor with a 60A water cooling system, so it stays cool even at high speeds. The build quality is top-notch, with a mix of metal and plastic that makes it durable and ready for action. It's super easy to control with its 2.4G remote that works up to 100 meters, plenty of range for some exciting water action. It comes ready to go, ARTR, so you just need to add a battery, and you're good to hit the water. Plus, it's CE certified for added peace of mind. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and fun RC boat, the Volantex Vector SR80 is a solid choice. It's easy to handle, super fast, and built to last. Get ready to make some waves. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.